Yan, game.
Balon mo kabataan. Aside from cultural workers and advocates,
Sino ng babae?
That's it.
Nanalo pa rin paboritang picture kay katamang kwentuhan kabataan.
Alang ngaliwa, mama. Bulita mong dikurin mo daw. Mama nga na niya.
Restaurant.
Picture din. Pitang na na.
Kabataan. Mumurabili at amo aligam na karasking larangan ng pamagluto. Kaya tawaran ni Geling ang dalay kapampangan. Elements of kabataan, makatupa tamong pipanganan which may not be featuring authentic kapampangan dishes. Pero the fact that they were put up by young kapampangan entrepreneurs at they're able to cater to the tastes and preferences of a wide range of customers. Malagulabagi at good news kaya katami.
Correct kapata. At anyapin atsutang po ngeni-keni-keng Angeles City. Kung nga abang buganta mong at bayong restaurant keni that offers Western and Eastern cuisine.
With a different touch.
Yan. Atsutang po ngeni-keng steak, street,
Restaurant
and fusion sushi bar.
Nani yung kapatid?
American and Japanese.
Lagyo pa mo.
Manyaman.
So, lalo pa kung gagawin yun, tumuto ko na kayo pakyatay kay nanyaman na kwento ang kapampangan. Uling balo naman po. Niyayaliwa man yung lupa.
Niyayaliwa man yung storya.
Niyayaliwa man yung tanina.
Pero metong mo yung dangalan
Panga, kapampangan. At manibatan mo yan po kay kaya yung Miss Maureen Hefte Castro.
Ating Mama Ray Yuma.
Kenny Muke, personalan.
Kasi tuloy.
Clear.
Kano pa na po yung sinabi ni Nandin Mama Ray, kapatid? Kaya betara po ngeni. First, of course, itang haman tamang young entrepreneur. Kailangan pala kinwalify tayo. Young and beautiful entrepreneur. Alam ko nga liwanan ni Miss Shane, Reuter, and of course, kaya binita yan po. Just
Ay, dahil yung siya?
beautiful mom and consultant na po Kenny ni Ma'am Aida Pamilya. Ayan. Kamusta kayo po nagwa, the mother and daughter?
Mayap naman. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for having us here in Personalan.
Thank you too for inviting us over, kapatid. Pagsita na naman po.
Wasag niyo pong kwento na rin yung business kasi may kumpisaya mo as bala mo inuman portion kay Garay, kay Kang Lolo. So would you like to tell us more about
At yung history ni Ma'am.
ang kwento na ito?
Itatang ko, ang poema ko, after our sileg na, we were doing...
Kaya kanina po yung salay na. Of course. The famous photo studio. Yeah.
Okay. Kagalingan
Angeles.
sileg na.
Okay.
And lima kong po itatang, after their graduation pictures, all the photographers are invited sa garden namin, kay garden ni.
Hating
Ay,
bali.
paninumlo.
And that started the restaurant. Then, nanya po kasi lagyo? Marisol Steakhouse. I'm sure, kapatid, dili ka tamang talapanalbe. In the 90s po or 80s?
90s.
In the 90s, meron niya po yung Marisol Steakhouse. Karang mino ng steakhouses kaya tigang Pampanga. Am I right, ma'am?
Meron niya ka rin pioneer.
Correct. Kuling ka nito. Ela pa mag-serve steak kanta kapatan.
Pero, during that particular time po, alam pa naman kung naisip na magiging business talaga. Kung bagay it was just a regular activity na kaya hindi ka malayo.
This mama na.
May click yan until finally. During that time, Shay, of course, you're so young. At yun nakabakanita ang mga tunay Marisol Steakhouse.
Wa, kini kayo makatok ng magaan kung kanika.
I'm sure you were very, very young, yes.
Wa, I was young then and
Mama!
sa
Mami!
Facebook, kay
Mami,
sa
Lucas!
house, magluto niya. Kaya, niya yung pamanan. So, we always eat and then I watch her potang magluto ya. So, kaya may maging itang interest ko kay pagluto and pag-restaurant.
Pero balita mo rin na south-south ka magbante because sa nakakadawas so may pamigbante sila. O ikaw tupig ka.
At maglinis.
Pero you didn't mind doing all that.
No.
Mm-mm.
I was a good granddaughter.
Okay, so Marisol Steakhouse, and then you said that nag-evolve ya into Lola Parins. So I'm sure then kikatab lalo na rin ang Helenyo. At ang tandaan ng Lola Parins. Still in the same place.